Welcome. My name is Stefano, and I'll be guiding you through yoga-nidra. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable resting position with your eyes open or closed. Welcome the environment and sounds around you. The touch of air on your skin. Sensations where your body touches the surface that supports it. Your entire body and mind settling into feeling at rest and at ease. Recall your heart's deepest desire, longing, or mission. Perhaps for health, healing, or awakening. Affirm an intention that supports you in realizing your heartfelt desire during this practice or in your daily life. Welcome in your inner resource, an inner felt sense of ease, security, and well-being in this, in every moment. Welcome sensation in your jaw, mouth, ears, eyes, forehead, and scalp, head, neck, and shoulders, arms, palms, and fingers, torso and pelvis, hips, legs, and feet. Your entire body as a field of radiant sensation. Welcoming your experience just as it is, while affirming to yourself, I am aware and at ease, secure and grounded. Welcome your body breathing and the sensation of the abdomen expanding and relaxing with each breath. The body breathing and the felt sense of your inner resource of peace, ease, and well-being with each breath. Notice and welcome emotions and thoughts that are present in your body and mind without trying to change them. Your experience just as it is. If helpful, welcome opposites of these emotions and thoughts. And actions that can help you feel in harmony with yourself and the world around you. Welcome feelings of ease and well-being throughout your entire body. And the joy of simply being. Imagine going about your daily life, all the while awake and aware as awareness, in which all of life is unfolding. Awareness, awake and aware of itself. As you're ready, open and close your eyes several times while welcoming your inner resource of feeling grounded and connected to yourself and the world around you. Feeling secure and at ease. As you're ready, come back to your eyes open, wide awake, an alert state of mind and body. Allowing the feeling of well-being to remain with you as you move back now into your daily life. Thank you for practicing with me today. Again, my name is Stefano, and it's a pleasure to have you here. If you found today's practice beneficial, and if the meditation provided you with an experience that allowed you to go deeper within, please consider following me, and I would greatly welcome your reflections, comments, and feedback. Please know that your generous donations help me to continue offering meditations for all the people here, and you let me know which practices have provided the greatest support. Also, it would be nice to know where and when you started your practice today. You can check the description for additional information about this individual recording. And you're invited to check out the other meditations here, depending on what you need most right now. If you enjoyed this practice today, please consider sharing it with others who would benefit from moments of peace, calm, and tranquility. Thank you again for practicing with me today. May you be peaceful. May you be well. May you be happy. May you be prosperous. And may you be free. Namaste.